How does mindfulness impact how you manage your money? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring how mindfulness can impact how you manage your money. It's an interesting topic that can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. So, let's dive in. 1. Understanding your spending habits. Mindfulness allows you to become more aware of your spending habits. By being present in the moment and observing your actions, you can identify any impulsive or unnecessary purchases that may be draining your finances. 2. Making conscious financial decisions. Mindfulness helps you make more conscious financial decisions. By being aware of your values and priorities, you can align your spending with what truly matters to you, rather than being influenced by external factors or societal pressures. 3. Avoiding emotional spending. Mindfulness helps you recognize and manage your emotions, which can prevent emotional spending. Instead of using shopping as a way to cope with stress or fill an emotional void, you can find healthier alternatives and avoid unnecessary financial strain. 4. Practicing delayed gratification. Mindfulness teaches you to be patient and practice delayed gratification. Instead of making impulsive purchases, you can take the time to consider whether a particular expense aligns with your long-term goals and brings you true satisfaction. 5. Cultivating gratitude for what you have. Mindfulness encourages gratitude, which can shift your mindset towards appreciating what you already have. This can reduce the desire for excessive consumption and help you save money by focusing on contentment rather than constant acquisition. 6. Developing a healthy relationship with money. Mindfulness allows you to develop a healthier relationship with money. By observing your thoughts and feelings around finances, you can address any negative beliefs or fears that may be holding you back from making sound financial decisions. 7. Practicing mindful budgeting. Mindfulness can enhance your budgeting skills. By being fully present and aware while creating and reviewing your budget, you can make more accurate financial plans and adjustments that align with your goals and values. 8. Reducing financial stress. Mindfulness techniques such as meditation and deep breathing can help reduce financial stress. By managing stress levels, you can make clearer financial decisions and avoid impulsive actions driven by anxiety or fear. And there you have it, the impact of mindfulness on how you manage your money. By incorporating mindfulness techniques into your financial journey, you can develop a healthier and more conscious approach to your finances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on personal finance. Remember, being mindful with your money can lead to a more prosperous and fulfilling financial future.